Hello, welcome to our Early Learning SF video tutorial channel. We hope you find our videos helpful as we will show you how to navigate the Early Learning SF website using a computer or a mobile phone. For this video tutorial topic, we will show you how to reset your ELSF account password using your mobile phone. First, what you want to do is enter the Early Learning SF website by going to www.earlylearningsf.org. Please scroll down to the blue box where it says Returning Families. And here, you want to sign in to your Early Learning SF account and then provide us your password. Sign in. In the case that you forgot your password, you can always reset your password by going to where it says Forget Password. And here, you can either provide us the email or your cell phone number associated with your Early Learning SF account so we can provide you a code to reset your password. Once you're done, please click Next. You will now receive a code via email or text message depending on the contact method you wish to receive a code to restart your password, and in the box below, please type in the code that you received and then click Next. You'll now be asked to type in a new password. Please know that the new password must be at least 8 to 16 characters and include upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Please confirm the new password you've created and click Next. And congratulations, you now successfully changed your Early Learning SF password. Now, please enter your Early Learning SF account by using the email or cell phone number you used to receive the code and the new password. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was very helpful. Have a wonderful day.